Hi there, this is Barbara, and first up, we are going to show you the Purdy Clear Cut Series Glide 2.5-inch angular trim brush. The angled bristles help you reach corners and cut in a long trim with more control, and the stiff filament blend is designed to work really well with the latex paints and primers. It's lightweight, easy to glide, and made for those crisp, clean, straight lines you want around moldings and ceilings. Now let's talk about the tool I never see pros skip, the Purdy Painter's Pail. It holds up to a quart and it's built for cutting in without running back and forth. You've got a strong built-in magnet that helps keep your brush from slipping down into the pail, plus a roller ramp and rest if you're using a mini roller. And the grip options are great. Hold it comfortably or use the ladder hook when you want to go hands-free. Quick personal note, Jim is 68 and has been a paint contractor for over 50 years, and he'll tell you straight, these are still the only brushes he loves to buy. And his pail, he loves the magnet feature. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work. Consistency is my standard.